To set up alarm clock on a Samsung S25, you have to start by opening clock application and right now go into alarm in the left bottom corner, and you can actually use current presets, but you can also create the new one by tapping on plus. And first of all, you can simply set repeat. When you click on this calendar icon, you can even go forward and go for next months, for example. There we go. And right here, you can also set name. Then when you go below, you can turn on and off sound, or you can simply change alarm sound if you want. Right here, we can also do the same with vibration. You can turn on and off snooze, and you can also change interval and repeat if you want. Then we can also change alarm background, so we can get the default one, but you can also click here. You can actually allow access into all of your pictures, and you can even set something from your gallery. You can even put here a video. So that's how it actually looks. It's pretty actually cool. And right now you can click done and you have to click save. And as you can see, here is our alarm. You can quickly turn it on and off by tapping on the switcher. And if you want to delete any alarm, you can just click here. You can also do this for multiple alarms if you want and select delete.